At the beginning of the lockdown for coronavirus in 2020, I decided to build a wood-fired pizza oven. I bought 100 Belfast bricks, and with the help of my sons Darius and David, we first of all laid a foundation of reinforced concrete which was 5 foot by 4 foot by 4 inches deep. On top of that, we created a structure of breeze blocks which was divided into two parts. The part in which I'm standing was to be the heat sink for the actual pizza oven, and the part in front, an area for keeping and storing wood for the oven. The back part was filled first of all halfway up with an aggregate and then topped off with a steel mesh and concreted. The front part had some concrete reinforced sills put on the top to form the wood storage area. The heat sink was then completed with sand and a layer of used empty wine bottles. On top of that, we placed the porcelain tiles, and around the edge of the porcelain tiles we put regular concrete tiles which were left over from doing the driveway. So the finished product was smooth and level. On top of that, then we started to build the structure of the barrel. We laid out first of all the bricks and then formed a structure of wood onto which we could build the actual oven. The two semicircular structures were connected with wood, and then we started to build the bricks layer by layer up to form the barrel-shaped oven. I used a refractory cement to join the bricks, and at the top I put a layer of keystone bricks which were cut to shape. And we left one brick out for the chimney. At that stage we decided to fire the oven to cure the refractory cement, which was also used for the bricks at the back of the oven. I then started work constructing the entrance to the pizza oven and for the door, in a very similar manner to the way we constructed the main dome. And as you can see here, the bricks were just formed around the wood structure, and we closed in the gap between the two domes with Belfast brick. At that stage it was decided to have another fire to cure the cement, and we built a chimney on top. We then put a layer of factory cement on top of everything to seal it all in, and then we started the insulation. The first layer of insulation was with insulating wool, and on top of that we put fireproof foam to form a solid base for the reinforced concrete layer which came on top of that. You can see here the wire reinforced concrete cement being applied, and the finished structure looked a bit like this. I used an external paint for the main oven, and I decided to decorate the front of the oven with ceramic tiles which I'd bought in Italy. This is a picture of it being almost completed, and the pizza oven has worked very well since we completed it. Here's a video.